What's going on, guys? Andrew here. Welcome to another episode of Embroidery Hub. This might be one of the most important videos I've ever done. In fact, this might be one of the most important videos ever to be aired on this channel. Why? Because today I'm going to teach you how to decorate the one garment that every embroiderer should have in their shop. That's right, we're making a onesie. Embroidered baby clothing is extremely popular, easy to create, and makes for a very profitable addition to any shop's creative inventory. So in today's episode, I'm going to take you step by step through the process of embroidering appliqué on a onesie. I'll also break down what materials we used, how much they cost, and what kind of profit you can realistically expect to make on a project like this. But before we get started, as always, remember to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel if you like this video or enjoy content like this so you can stay up to date with our latest videos. Before we get to embroidering, let's first go over what materials we need for this project. First off, we've got our blank onesie. We got this onesie online as part of a 3-pack for around $8. For this individual project, we're in for about $2.61. Next, we have our cotton fabric and our felt fabric. The total cost for both is about $5. Our standard C hoop, which came with our Ricoma EM1010 machine, our standard 7511 embroidery needles, embroidery shears, our 40-weight polyester thread, and a can of spray adhesive. We've also got about $3 worth of our Tender Touch stabilizer. This particular stabilizer is unique in that it is soft to the touch and is perfect for sensitive skin, which makes it perfect for baby clothing. If you're interested in getting this Tender Touch stabilizer, be sure to click the card above or the links in the description below. Altogether, we're in for this project for about $11 to $12. However, by the time we're done, we can easily sell our finished onesie for as much as $42. That's a profit of at least $30 an hour. With experience and multiple machines, you can bring that up to over $100 in no time. Now that you know the profit potential, let's get to embroidering. We're going to start by embroidering the basic shape of our elephant. So first off, we're going to hoop our cotton fabric and run a trace stitch to make the basic shape of the inside of our elephant's ears. Once that's done, we're just going to unhoop our fabric and carefully cut out our ears. Now, let's trace our elephant. So, we're gonna hoop our felt fabric and run our trace stitch. Once that's done, we're just gonna cut it out. All right, now we have the basic elements to embroider our elephant. So, we're gonna hoop our onesie and quickly trace the outline of our elephant and our ears so that we know exactly where to place our fabric. Since this design is sideways and our onesie is hooped sideways, what I have to do to avoid the back of this onesie getting stitched in, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over the hoop. That way, I avoid getting stitched on the back. So we're going to spray our adhesive, attach it to our onesie, and secure it in place with our tack down stitch. Then we're gonna do the same thing for our felt fabric. Now we're just going to use our applique stitches to embroider the outline of our elephant before embroidering the rest of our elephant's details and the name. If you're new to doing applique stitches, we actually have a video tutorial where we go into greater detail on the applique process, including how to digitize applique stitches. I put a link in the card above and the description below. And with that, we have our finished embroidered onesie. Isn't it cute? This will definitely be an easy sell. Any new or expecting parent would love to get this as a baby shower gift. That's it for today. If you're looking for more inspiration for your next embroidery project or to get some more advice on embroidery, then be sure to check us out on Facebook and join our embroidery and custom apparel mastery group. If you haven't done so already, make sure to follow us on Instagram and TikTok for informative and entertaining content. Also, be sure to let us know in the comments if there are any other topics you'd like to see in a future episode of Embroidery Hub. I'll see you next time.